Have you ever felt like your world was crumbling when someone you loved walked away? I have. It's like standing in the ruins of what you thought would be forever. But here's the twist. It's in these ruins that I found the foundation of who I truly am. When she walked away, it felt like a part of me was being torn apart. The nights became longer and the days a blur of emotions, but in the midst of that pain, I realized something powerful. This wasn't the end of my story. It was just a turning point. I started to see my heartbreak not as a mark of failure, but as a badge of courage. It takes strength to let go and even more to move forward. So I took small steps. Some days it was about getting out of bed. Other days it was about finding moments of joy in the mundane. Gradually, I began to rediscover parts of myself that I had lost in the relationship. I reconnected with old hobbies, started new ones, and found joy in being alone, in being me. Each step forward was a piece of my puzzle, fitting back together to reveal a stronger, more complete picture of myself. I learned that self-respect isn't just about standing up for how others treat you, it's also about how you treat yourself. It's about choosing paths that foster growth, not destruction. And character? That's built through the choices we make in our hardest times. Today I stand here not just healed, but transformed. The journey wasn't easy, but it was worth every step. To anyone out there nursing a broken heart, remember this. You have within you all the courage you need to walk through this fire and come out forged into a stronger version of yourself. Let your heartbreak be the beginning of your journey back to yourself. Remember, sometimes when she walks away, it's not your loss, but your opportunity to meet the most important person in your life, you.